Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Is Bitcoin still worth buying in 2024, or have you missed the boat? If you're wondering whether it's too late to invest in Bitcoin, this video will help you decide. By the end, you'll know if Bitcoin still has room to grow and what tools you can use to make an informed decision. Look at the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's break it down together. Whether you're a beginner or experienced investor, I've got you covered. To answer the big question, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? Let's first look at where Bitcoin is in 2024. Bitcoin is no longer the new kid on the block. It's gone through massive ups and downs, but historically, it has always rebounded stronger. Tools like TradingView can help you analyze Bitcoin's price trends to spot future opportunities. Remember, Bitcoin operates on a supply and demand principle, and with another halving event approaching or recently passed, supply will tighten. That often leads to price surges. Section 2. Why Bitcoin still has potential. Now let's talk about why it's not too late to buy Bitcoin. First, Bitcoin adoption is at an all-time high. Major institutions, hedge funds, and even governments are investing in Bitcoin, making it more mainstream than ever. Tools like Glassnode help you track on-chain data, such as wallet growth and accumulation trends. And guess what? More people are holding Bitcoin long-term, which reduces selling pressure and increases demand. Secondly, Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. As central banks continue printing money, Bitcoin remains a scarce digital asset with only 21 million coins ever created. Section 3. How to buy Bitcoin safely. If you're convinced that Bitcoin still has potential, the next step is knowing how to buy it safely and efficiently. 1. Choose a reliable exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken are trusted options for beginners. 2. Track your investments. Use tools like CoinStats to manage your portfolio and track your Bitcoin performance in real time. 3. Understand taxes. Tools like TokenTax and Koinly help you calculate and manage your crypto taxes, so you're always compliant. By using these tools, you'll have a clear strategy for buying and holding Bitcoin in 2024. Section 4. Risks to consider. Of course, no investment is without risk. Here's what you need to consider before buying Bitcoin. 1. Volatility. Bitcoin's price can swing dramatically in short periods. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. 2. Regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. 3. Storage. Always store your Bitcoin securely using hardware wallets or trusted exchanges. Section 5. Final answer. Is it too late? Is it too late to buy Bitcoin in 2024? The short answer is no, it's not too late. While you may not get Bitcoin at 2011 or 2017 prices, the potential for growth is still there as adoption increases and supply remains limited. If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term potential, start small, do your research, and use the tools I've shared to guide your investment journey. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Bitcoin's potential in 2024, look at the description below for links to tools. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you think Bitcoin is still a good investment? See you in the next video.